What's up everyone, welcome back to Triplezon. If you are into electronics or love fixing gadgets, you know how important it is to see exactly what your circuits are doing. Today, we are taking a close look at a tool that packs incredible power into a portable design, making it a top contender for the title of Best Digital Oscilloscope. It makes testing and diagnosing simple and fun. Let's get started. Finding a tool that handles multiple jobs without cluttering your workbench is a massive win. That is exactly why the FNIRSI 2C23T digital oscilloscope stands out from the crowd. This versatile device acts as a complete testing station right in the palm of your hand. One of its standout features is the built-in function signal generator. This generator offers 7 different types of DDS signals, and you can easily adjust the frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle. This means you can create your own signals to test how your circuits react, which is perfect for experiments and troubleshooting. The FNIRSI 2C23T digital oscilloscope is also a massive help because of its extensive measurement capabilities. It does not just look at waves, it also measures AC and DC voltage, current, capacitance, and resistance. You can even use it for diode testing and simple on and off checks. Having all these options in one place means you do not need to constantly switch between different tools, saving you time whether you are a hobbyist, a student, or a professional. Working with electricity means safety has to come first. The FNIRSI 2C23T digital oscilloscope features a built-in high-voltage protection module. This special safety feature allows you to securely measure peak voltages up to plus or minus 400 volts without worrying about damaging the device or causing an accident. It gives you true peace of mind while working on heavier power projects. On top of that, it comes with a long standby time of up to 6 hours on a single charge. This excellent battery life ensures the tool stays powered up and ready for action during long diagnostic sessions or when you are out in the field away from a power outlet. When you are analyzing signals, you need to see everything clearly. This device features a high-resolution 2.8-inch LCD display with a crisp 320 by 240 resolution. It delivers incredibly clear and precise visualization of your waveforms, making signal observation and data analysis completely effortless. To take things even further, the FNIRSI 2C23T digital oscilloscope integrates energy oscillation and a virtual frequency generator. These advanced systems enhance its overall functionality, allowing you to easily perform complex electronic experiments that usually require much larger benchtop gear. The overall design is compact and highly portable, meaning it easily fits into a toolkit or backpack. It beautifully balances modern technology with practical usability, making it perfect for laboratory work, field testing, or classroom education. It gives you dependable performance and visual clarity in a small, lightweight form factor that is incredibly easy to use. This handy tool completely changes the game for your electronics workbench. If you want to grab one for your own projects, check the price link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more cool tech gear, please like and subscribe to Triplezon. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Happy building, and I will catch you in the next video.